BJP and Congress have stepped up their attack on leader of opposition and BJD chief Navin Patnaik over his refusal to accept the revised salary and allowances for MLAs. Both parties allege that Patnaik's move is aimed more at political messaging than principled opposition. Senior BJP leader Jainaran Mishra questioned why such a stand was not taken during Patnaik's long tenure as chief minister. Referring to Biju Patnaik's symbolic 1 rupee salary, Mishra said that the former chief minister had ample opportunity in the past to set a similar example, but chose not to. Deputy Chief Minister Kanak Vardhan Singh Deo also raised concerns over Patnaik's absence during the assembly debate, asking why no objection was placed on record when the issue was discussed in the House. The Congress joined the criticism, pointing out that BJD legislators had supported the salary hike bill when it was tabled, calling the current protest only a political stunt. On the other hand, BJD MLA Ganeshwar Behera defended the government's decision, stating that the party had supported the pay revision and that no directive was given by Navin Patnaik to MLAs to forego their salaries, terming the hike logical and justified.
परिवार केते वर्ष शासन कले सेटा देखंतु ना ये नवीन बाबू 24 वर्ष शासन कले 24 वर्ष रे कौन कौन करिसंती कौन नै कौन ओडिसावासी जानि नाहंती जानिसंती एटा गोटे ड्रामा करूसंती ड्रामा
जते बेले बिल पारित हबा को जाउथला विधानसभा गृह भितरे सेते बेले बिजु जनता दलर समस्त सदस्य एवं तांकर चीफ व्हिप मध्य समस्ते उपस्थित रही तांकर बीजेपी जो बिल माने दरमा वृद्धि करिया पई जो बिल आनी थिला से बिल को संपूर्ण भाव समर्थन कले पुणी एबे पूरे पॉलिटिकल स्टंट नवा पई विरोधी दल नेता पूर्वतन मुख्यमंत्री से कहउचंती मु वर्धित दरमा नेबे नहीं
बीजेडी नेता से तो मुख्यमंत्री से निर्देश नहीं पूर्वतन मुख्यमंत्री जे आपण माने समस्त त्याग करंतु ता नहीं एक निर्देश नहीं तापर द्वितीय कथा हला बीजेडी पा ए संक्रांत रे दाबी करथला गृह रे तापर बीजेडी पा ये बिल को समर्थन करथिला आ तण पुणी ताको विरोध करियार प्रश्न उठुछु कहीं